Follow these steps to download and install the HP LaserJet Pro M404n printer driver on Windows. Open Google Chrome browser, search for your printer, type in LaserJet Pro M404n into the search bar and select your printer. Download the HP support page, https://support.hp.com, on your web browser. Download the driver. Click on the Download button next to the driver software that corresponds with your operating system. Install the driver. Once the download is complete, double-click on the downloaded file to launch the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the driver installation. Connect the printer. Connect your HP LaserJet Pro M404n printer to your computer using a USB cable. Congratulations, you have now successfully installed your HP LaserJet Pro M404n printer driver. Print a test page to confirm that the printer is working correctly.